Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. What happens when magnesium is heated with nitrogen? Magnesium plus nitrogen heat product. Choices are A. Mg3N2, B. Mg2N2, C. Mg3N, D. Mgn2. Answer is A. Mg3N2, magnesium nitrite. The complete balance equation of this reaction is 3Mg plus N2 heat Mg3N2. Thank you for watching this video.